Hello everyone, welcome back to the English 101 UK with your host Idris Mercy. Today we are going to have the auxiliary verbs part 2, which is about verb to have. Perhaps it comes as no surprise that verb to have is the second most commonly used in the English language, and it is one of the three auxiliaries that we have mentioned in our previous lesson, auxiliary verbs part 1. Well, if you haven't watched that one, I would advise you to go and watch it because it's part of this lesson. Back to verb to have. As we already know that it's an auxiliary verb, allow me to tell you that it's a main verb as well. But before jumping right away into this lesson, as usual, let me have my cuppa first before we start so that I can fully concentrate. You know the test, don't you? That's because nothing can beat British cuppa. Okay, well, verb to have can be an auxiliary to help other verbs create present and past perfect tense. For example, I have read a lot of books. We have been to France many times. He hasn't eaten his lunch yet. At the same time, have can be a main verb too, and in this case, it is used to indicate what we own or possess. For example, I have got a car. She has got a nice house. They have got plenty of time. But hey, hang on, where does got come from? Why can't we say I have instead of saying I have got? In another word, why don't we just say I have a car, but not I have got a car, as in our previous example? Well, let's break it down bit by bit. Sometimes in British spoken English, verb to have is an ordinary, that's why it's followed by got. While in American English, verb to have is used without got. So in British, we say I have got a car, but in American English, we just say I have a car. By the way, American English is widely used in Britain, so that's why you don't have to worry too much which one you use. You can either use British or American English as you wish. Anyway, let's have a look at this table which contains British and American, have got and have. So this is how we use verb to have in British spoken English. I have got, you have got, he has got, she has got, it has got, we have got, they have got. While in American English, we say just I have, you have, he has, she has, it has, we have, and they have. And here are some examples, both British and American English. In British spoken English, we say, I have got a lot of friends, while in American English, we say, I have a lot of friends. British English, we say, you have got homework to do, while in American, you have homework to do. British, he has got a big family. American, he has a big family. British, she has got a nice flat. American, she has a nice flat. British, our cat has got 2 ears. American, our cat has 2 ears. British, we have got a final exam. American, we have final exam. Finally, in British, we say they have got 3 sisters, while in American English we say they have 3 sisters. In addition, verb to have has got many other uses, such as in activities, in eating food, in part of days, in hygiene, in conversations, in sleeping, in travels, and in accidents and problems with cars. For examples, let's have a party. We are having a wonderful time. He has his breakfast at 8 o'clock. They have lunch together sometimes. Are you going to have holidays? She had a bad day yesterday. I would like to have a shower. I need to have a chat with you. They have a big argument about money. She had a rest in the afternoon. I used to have terrible dreams when I was young. He had an accident a few years ago. They had a crash, but likely no one was injured. We had a 17-hour-long flight. Have a safe trip. Did you have a pleasant journey? And many others like have a baby, have a try, have a problem, have a goal, have an operation, have an idea, have a clue, have a good time, and have a cup of tea. A quick reminder before you go, if you haven't subscribed to this channel yet, I would kindly invite you to subscribe yourself with us. And if you like this video, please give that thumb up. And don't you ever forget to leave a comment. With all respect to you all guys, I see you in the next episode. Until that time, enjoy yourselves. Bye.